Hey y'all, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, how are y'all doing today? So today I have something exciting. We have the new Carli Bybel times, or the ABH times Carli Bybel palette. And y'all, if I sniffle or cough or I sound stuffy in the video, I'm sick. I'm trying to get over the flu. So just bear with me. And I'm sorry I had to make a video like this, but I had to. So this is what the box came in. And it's absolutely stunning. And then you open it up. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So the unicarton looks like the palette. I already took it out of the unicarton because, as you can see, I've already done a tutorial with it. So this is the unicarton and this is the packaging. When I first saw this, I thought the packaging was white, but it's not. It's actually a beautiful, like, shimmery gray color. And then the front of it, I really thought was rhinestones too, but it's not. Like, you can feel the bumps on it, but it's pretty flat. So other than the packaging, you guys, I'm very excited for this. When I saw it leaked, I was very sad because ABH can't get a break when their palettes are getting leaked. But I saw it and was like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this. I've been watching Carli Bybel for years. She's been one of my favorite people to watch. She's so humble and down to earth and sweet and kind. And this palette just screams Carli, and I love that she stayed true to herself for this palette. It's a beautiful everyday palette. Let's read some things on it real quick. It's cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, formulated without parabens, gluten, or talc. And it has one pressed pigment, which is Cindi, and we played with that color today. It's super stunning. Yeah, 14 all new shades with matte metallic shimmer duo chrome finishes. So let's open her up and I'll just show her to y'all already. So this is what she looks like. I do have her here. I don't want her upside down. So this is what the palette looks like. She is absolutely gorgeous. The purples, the cool tones, the warm tones. So Cindi, this right here is the pressed pigment one right here. So this retails for $45. It is available today, October 7th, on their website. And then it hits all other retailers on October 10th, which would be Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom's, Macy's, Beautylish, and Dillard's on the 10th, and then all overseas international retailers on October 11th. This palette is limited edition, so if it's something that you're eyeing and you want, you should probably pick it up as quick as possible, because if they run out, I don't know if they're going to make more, but I do know that it's limited edition. I don't know for how long, they haven't said. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do swatches, and then after the swatches will be the tutorial, and then the end will be my final thoughts. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, you can do so now, or I mean, you can go watch another few videos if you want to kind of check my vibe, see what's going on. But you can also follow me on all my other social medias. Everything is Maggie_Hardy88, which is pretty much Twitter and Instagram, where I'm at 99.9% of the time. And other than that, you guys, I'm gonna have time stamps as to where the swatches are and the tutorial and everything that we talked about. So if you're wanting to see the rest of the video, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for the swatches, we're gonna just go down like this. Okay, so here is the first row. There's a shade right here. My lights aren't really picking it up, just because I'm really not the best swatcher in the entire world. And I know on camera that these two look so similar, but they actually are two totally different shades. And once you see them in person, then you can really get the gist of it. Now, this one over here, which is Bali, so this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right here. That way you can see it just a little bit better. Okay, so here are all the swatches. Y'all, I suck. I haven't swatched on camera or for a video in forever, as you can see. But the colors and the pigments are there. These shimmer and metallic shades, these duochromes, they are all just super, super gorgeous and creamy. And the mattes are so soft. This one looks a little patchy. It's probably my swatch. I mean, or it could just... We'll see, it don't look really patchy no more there once you add some more onto it. But here are all the shades. Super stunning, absolutely beautiful. So now we will go jump into the tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna just jump right into the tutorial. As you can see, I pretty much have my whole face done besides my eyes, so I can just do a quick little tutorial with the palette. The first shade we're gonna go into is Stev. We're just gonna work this here on the outer corner. Oh, look how beautiful it is. And right now I'm just gonna do patting motions and work this more towards into my crease. And once I have where I want it, I'm gonna go in small circular motions just to blend this out. I'm gonna dig back in and put this on my outer corner also. I mean, look how effortlessly that blends out. That is so beautiful. I love this color. I was gonna go in with another shade over it, but I might not because it literally blended like a dream. Alright, so next we're gonna go into Cindi, which is this beautiful peachy orange. And I'm just going to take the brush that it came with. You know, Anastasia likes to come with these brushes. And I'm going to pack this on the inner corner. And I'm going to take this kind of high and just blend it in. Oh my gosh, look how fast that blended. Oh. And then what's left with that, I will take over here on the outside just to blend this out just a little bit more. Okay, boo, I see you. We're going to go into this deep brown shade here. And I'm just going to put this right here on the outer corner, and I'm going to use the same brush again just to deepen this up a little bit, and then I'll just blend it out with the other end of that brush. I mean, it takes zero effort to blend this out. That is insane. So then down here, I'll take this also out here on my lower lash line, and I'm not going to take it all the way in. I'm just going to take it about halfway in and take a little bit of that Stev shave and just connect these and blend this out. Okay, so for this little brush, I'm just gonna wipe it off. I have a towel under me. I just wipe it off on the towel. So the first shade that I'm gonna go into is gonna be Moo. We're gonna put this on the deep inner corner, and then we're gonna go into, what color is this? Aurora. I'm not going to wet these, and I'm not gonna cut my crease. Okay, I might wet these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this kind of up without any liquid. You see how it just kind of adds that shimmer in here? Oh, it's beautiful. And then I'm going to take some of that Moo on one side and just spray it just to get it a little wet. Just so we get a little, there we go, a little bit more pigmentation out of it. See how it's just a little bit sparkly? And then we'll keep this more down on the lid instead of taking it high. It's already blended out because we took the unwet shadow up on top. I'm going to flip it around and use Aura, the Aura shade, and put this right here. And I'm not going to take this one above the crease, but I am going to pack it right into my crease because I know about where my shadow transfers. How gorgeous. I had fallout. Lord have me. Please come off. Please come off. Okay, it didn't fully come off, so I'm just going to take my clean, well not clean, but my sponge that I had on my foundation, and it picked it right off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go finish the other eye. We'll come back and I will probably have my lashes on. Okay, so I'm going to go throw my lashes on. These are Dodo lashes in the style D1, or yeah, D115, 115. Dodo lashes are my favorite lashes, and I do have a discount code for these. It will be down in the description box for y'all to check out, and I will be right back and we'll have all this wrapped up. Okay, so we are back with the lashes on. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I love them, y'all. Dodo lashes seriously are good. We're not here to talk about the lashes though. So to finish all of this off, we're gonna go into the shade Bali right here, and this is gonna be our inner corner and our brow bone highlight. I think this is just gonna pull everything together. So we'll go in here and yes, see, it just pulls everything together. And I'm gonna bring this kind of a little bit lower than what I usually do and kind of connect it over here under my lower lash line, just to make it seem like my eyes open a little bit more, and that way there's no like blank space right here from where I stopped my matte shadows. Right here on that brow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It sure hurts. See how it just it just brings everything together. Brow bone highlight is always a must. Well, depending on what kind of look you're doing, but most of the time for everyday beautiful looks like this, like soft glam looks, brow bone highlight is where it's at. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really love how soft and beautiful it turned out. It can be an everyday or soft glam look. Carli Bybel and ABH, y'all killed this. Y'all saw how soft and effortlessly these shadows blended out. It's great for everyday shadows. It's great for holiday. I mean, look at this. It just screams fall or Christmas to me, and I just think it's just absolutely lovely. Congratulations, Carli. You killed it. It's amazing. I love it. If y'all want more tutorials, please let me know. I will definitely try to get to more of those up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You can also follow me on all my other social medias. Everything is Maggie_Hardy88, which is pretty much Instagram and Twitter. Other than that, you guys, I also did get the holiday collection from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and if that's something that you would want to see also, let me know down in the description box or down in the comment box. And I'm probably going to film one anyways, if y'all want one or not. So if you're excited for that, keep a lookout, and hopefully I'll have that one up at the end of the week. Other than that, you guys have a very blessed day. Go be kind. You may be the only Jesus that somebody sees today. So I love y'all, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, y'all.